All right, we're going to show you a new way to make a histogram. We had some problems in the class. There's different versions of the histogram option in different Excel programs, but I found a very good little video, so I'm going to show you the shortcut. So here's our data, and we want to put that into groups of with intervals of 10 as a histogram, okay? So the first thing you're going to do is this. Go ahead and type in the word bins, frequency, and intervals in a row going across like this. Okay, next step, you go to intervals. What are the intervals? I think I gave you a hint there. It is you're going to start at 80, right? There's nothing less than 80, so you're going to start to 80-89. Next one is going to be 90-99, etc., etc. We're going to go all the way down to 149. So give me a second. Okay, those are our intervals. You notice that? Bam, bam, bam. So this is what the ranges are of each of the columns on the histogram. Okay, now we have to do the bins. So the bins basically just end with the last number of the interval. So this first one's going to be 89. Next one's going to be 99. Next one's going to be 109. Give me a second. So we're good to go. We got our bins. That's what the Excel program is calling the intervals, okay? So now here comes the magic part. You're going to go ahead and under frequency, click and drag while holding it down, click and drag till one cell past your last bin. Say that again. Click and drag one cell past your bin so it's highlighted like that. You're going to go up to the frequency, to the function bar. You're going to type in equal frequency. When it pops up, double click on it. So we're going to use the frequency function. It's really cool. So you notice how this first one, data array, is darker. It's asking where's the data coming from. So you're just going to click and drag all of your data. You're going to put a comma in. Don't forget the comma. The next one is the bin array. So you're going to put your bins in there. Close parentheses. And then you're going to hit, very important, Control, Shift, Enter. Control, Shift, Enter. Bam. Now look at that. That tells you how many of these units over here are between 80 to 89, how many are between 90 to 99, etc., etc. Okay, now we have our data. Now we're going to go ahead and make a histogram from the frequency data. I'm going to go ahead and clean this up a little bit. I'm going to center them, get back home, center, and put my boxes. Got to have my boxes. But now we have our data. We can go ahead and just make our histogram. So highlight the frequency table, insert. You're going to put in a bar graph just as is, okay? So there's a bar graph of the data. That is not really a histogram. So now we're going to turn it into a histogram. All right, let's get this up so you guys can see it. You'll notice that the interval levels are not what we want, right? They got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to go ahead and fix that. What you're going to do is you're going to go up here to select data. You're going to edit the 1, 2, 3, right? This is like your x-axis. You're going to edit that, and we're going to go ahead and pick our interval level. So that is going to replace the intervals with that 1, 2, 3, 4 nonsense down there. Click OK. Click OK. Boom. Isn't that pretty? So now all we got to do is fatten these bars up, because with histograms, these bars have to be touching each other. Okay, to fix that, you just double click on any column, and it brings up the fix-it box here. Oh, crap. Hold on while I move this over for you. Okay, you can see that. So now we're going to fill out those little skinny boxes. Okay, so now we're gonna fatten up these things. What you're going to do is you're going to go up to Design up there. You're going to go ahead and pick one. I'm going to pick that one because it looks pretty. But now, to make these little things disappear, click this thing here in the Format Data Series, and you're just going to do away with the gap length. Can you see that gap length there? That's the distance in between them. So if you just put it down to nothing, bam, you're done. That's it. MGZ out.